Hi, I'm Ryan McHugh with Integrated Automation Systems. Today I'm here to talk about our traversing double-side loader. Now the traversing double-side loader travels back and forth down the tracks at the end of your cutting table. It has inventory locations sitting on the floor on each side of it where the suction cup arms come up, separate a sheet of glass, lay it down, square it up, and then traverse back and send it to the cutting table. This particular machine is our small size, which can handle up to 72 by 96 inch glass, but we also offer this system in a large size that handles up to 108 inch by 144 inch glass. Now you may be used to free fall. There are a couple advantages with the suction cup loader over the free fall. One is that you don't have a carpeted tabletop for broken glass shards to get embedded in and potentially scratch the next sheet of glass. If you do break a sheet of glass, it tends to fall through to the floor where it can be more easily swept up and won't damage the next sheet. The other advantage is with the suction cup loader, we can more easily handle multiple sizes of glass. So this machine can handle down to a 4860 or up to 7296. And our large system could handle down to the 4860 and a bunch of sizes in between that in the 108, 144. This does a couple things for you. It allows you to handle some of your odd sizes like obscure, and it also allows you to purposefully add in extra sizes of some of your more expensive low-E's, which is going to net you a better yield and save you money. One of the other things our customers love about our glass loading systems is the intuitive nature of our controls. This machine, everything is controlled via touchscreen, and you can see that we use lots of pictures to make the controls very easy to understand. This means that when your maintenance guy doesn't touch our machine for 3 months and something comes up, he doesn't have to dig out his book and flip through all the pages. It's pretty easy to just look at the screen and understand exactly what you're looking at. You can easily see the status of all the inputs, the switches, and you can select what you want to control. So I can go specifically into the shuttle and carriage, and it's going to show me a picture of that shuttle and carriage with the status of all the I/O. Or I can go back and I can say I want to specifically work on just the side loader arms on the A side, and it'll show me all the status of the I/O on those arms. Pretty much all of our machines today are delivered with remote connection capability, so that should you have an issue in the field, one of our engineers can quickly log into the machine, see exactly what you're seeing, and help you diagnose what may be wrong, adjust settings, or even do some training over the phone by showing the maintenance technician where to adjust a setting. And the very latest option that has been added to this machine is our new smart machine monitoring system, where we can monitor all sorts of data coming from your machine and know the health of your machine at any given time, automatically sending you PM notifications, and also seeing if we have an issue that could lead to a failure down the field so we can help you avoid any machine downtime. You also get access to all sorts of performance metrics, so you can easily see performance data of each of your lines to compare one line versus another or one shift versus another, or to recognize problems if one particular line tends to have more downtime than another. So our traversing double-side loader is offered in different lengths, commonly at 4, 6, and 8 stations of inventory. And on an 8 station like this here, we can pick a sheet of glass and transfer it to the cutter every 45 seconds, staying ahead of almost all cutting tables and breakout operators. Automating your glass loading can create a much safer but also a much faster work environment with higher throughput. This system in the field would have fencing at the end, light curtains guarding behind the glass racks, which keep all personnel out of the glass loading area at all times, which is much safer. When a rack of glass needs changed out, the forklift can simply break the light curtain, remove the empty rack, and swap in a new one. And since the racks sit right on the floor, there's no more lifting them up to 36 inches in the air to try to set them onto a rolling base for free fall. So with the traversing double-side loader from Integrated Automation Systems, you can cut more glass per shift, create a much safer work environment for your operators, and increase your yields by having more glass sizes available on your cutting line.